y'all, welcome to my channel, and if you're not new here, welcome back. Today I am going to be doing a collab with firmoo, if I'm pronouncing that right. So we're just going to be doing an unboxing of the glasses together.
Gotta say a word, keep getting me what I'm looking for. I just gotta tell everybody, I don't wanna keep it on the low. Goddamn, I love you. I love you. Goddamn, I love you. I love you.
So here's the packaging. I love the colors. I think that's super cute and it's good quality. Let's open it. Okay, when you open it, this is how it looks inside. Excuse my nails, gotta get them done, y'all. So it just comes with this. I guess this is instructions for the glasses. And also their social medias on the back. You can see that. We also have a 50% off coupon. You can just scan that. Receive a $10 voucher or $3 cash as reward. You share your sunglasses and all of that good stuff. That's super cute. And it also have a firmoo gift card, best gift for best friends. That was really thoughtful as well. Oh y'all, excuse my nails. But yeah, that was very thoughtful as well. 50% off frames. Use code FRIEND. And all of that good stuff back there. Okay? So let's actually get into the glasses. It came in this cute little blue bag. And this, you can also clean your glasses with this, which I thought was really neat. It's like a 2-in-1. How cute is that, right? So, y'all, I'm really glad that I found out about them because me and my mom was looking for a good site to buy prescription glasses, and they have so many cute variety of glasses, and they're very affordable as well. You know, glasses can be expensive these days, so y'all should go check them out. firmoo.com. So let's get into the glasses. This is the ones I got. These are the ones I got. I wanted to do something different. I tried to get something that would go with everything. That's why I got white. And it's like gold on the side. I think these are super different and cute. So y'all make sure y'all let me know if y'all like these glasses or not. And I mean, they got so many different pairs of glasses on there, all kinds of designs and colors, like anything you can think of, they literally have it on there. And then they're affordable. My glasses took about a week, if that, to get to me. But if you get prescription, of course it might take a little longer, but they're worth it. So let's try these on together. I think that these are super cute. They're different. And I think my outfit goes with it as well. Now this part being white and the size is gold. My gold necklace. I think that this goes. Let me know if y'all will wear these glasses. I think they're cute. Okay, so if you are interested in these glasses, or you just want to check out the site and see what they have and check out their prices, you can use my code NZLG50. I'll put it right here for 50% off your order. I will also link it down below. And click the link and get 50% off your order. And the glasses are already affordable, so 50% off, you're gonna be probably paying close to nothing. All right, y'all, that concludes this video today. Let me know down in the comments how y'all feeling about these glasses, because I think I'm feeling myself. I think I'm cute. I don't know. Let me know how y'all feel about the glasses and check them out. Okay? I like them. All right, y'all. Also, I forgot to mention that my glasses were $21.99. My glasses were $21.99. Yeah, so the glasses are really comfortable. I think that they're good quality and they will last a long time. I think these will last a while, so go check them out. If y'all like the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye.